There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, diva.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your favorite A, and we're here to slay. I hope you're all having like a great day whenever you're watching this video, because, girl, I'm good. We good over here. We good over there. I hope y'all are having a blessed day, motivational, positivity, all that good stuff, girl. Let it roll in one, okay? And let's cheers to that. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a new one. Like, I've never heard of this wig company before, and when she came through my door, I was like, how do you even say that? Okay. And I had to put my brain into real use, and I figured it's called Dachic hair. Dachic hair has some new units available. They new to me. I'm not sure if they new to you, but we're gonna see what they do. It came to me like 2-3 days ago. I have yet to open it. Okay, I was busy trying to make sure that I pronounce the name right. Now, the one thing that I do remember is she's a salt and pepper. Okay, not like the rap group. Okay, not like that. She is a salt and pepper unit. You ain't even got to be old to wear salt and pepper, girl. It's a color. It's a color. But for the life of me, I'm trying to figure out why these companies keep asking me to do their salt and pepper. I mean, I am getting older in age, but girl, I ain't that effing old, okay? Hello. So it comes in this little greenish bag right here. Let's see what it's looking like, girl. Let's see. Because some of the salt and peppers, though, I do be looking real cute in. I ain't even gonna lie, okay? If I'm gonna be a grandma, let me be a sexy grandma, okay? So they sending you some goodies too in the bag. Let's see what we got here. We got an HD wig cap, melting bands, and last but not least, we have some lashes. So they're gonna make sure your salt and pepper wig look good with some of that big lashes. If you're gonna wear a salt and pepper wig, baby, you gotta look extra cute. I'm just saying, you gotta make sure you put it all together. Because the wig comes in a bag like this, okay? And she is 210% in density, 100% human hair, and 12 inches. This is the pre-everything unit. I love when they give you a wig that's already done for you. Like, you really don't have to do nothing. Like, I love when I ain't got to do anything. So it comes with the pre-cut lace already, bleach knot. The banding is blonde, okay? It comes with combs on each side and also has a comb in the back, adjustable, removable band. And I do believe this is a 5x5, and it's some elastic here. This hair, though, let me tell you, this hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel dried out. It doesn't feel like it needs luster. It feels actually really, really soft. And I'm pleased with that, because when you process hair, sometimes it can get a little bit dry. Now, this is more pepper than salt, and that's how I prefer it. It just depends on the actual style too. For me, sometimes I like a little bit more salt than with my pepper. Why am I always talking so loud? Like, I'm yelling at y'all like y'all is across the room. I think when you have like so many kids, you just used to talking loud. You used to yelling. You got all these grandkids, like, you used to talking loud. You used to yelling. And so I guess I'm used to that. But anyway, let's get into this. Let's do this wig, okay?
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better, and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, I think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always
Girl,
meant to be.
this wig came out real cute. Okay. First of all, it was so helpful and so easy to style because the hair is so soft. When I tell you the hair has movement, it was laid right, it was tweezed right, it was bleached right, it was thinned out right. It wasn't like all thick in the hairline, thick in the part. Girl, this wig is definitely the chic hair. But let me tell you something, girl, if I had to wear a salt and pepper wig, baby, it's gotta look like this. Girl, I decided to hide the part just in the front because, you know, I was trying to give it that sexy grandma look. Like this is, look, okay, let me just spin around real quick. Now keep in mind, I don't really know what the back is looking like because this girl's arms got tired of curling. If you got a hot auntie, a hot granny, a hot mama, and her hair is this color, get her this wig. She gonna definitely thank you. Get her this wig. Baby, do it like it's your B-day, granny. Now, I was not really sure how I was gonna like this, but I like this. I do. It's like a pepper with a tad bit of salt. Like, seriously, they did their thing with this. I don't even know them. First time meeting them. First time ever. And I'm very impressed. They did their thing with this. Like, seriously, look at that. Look at that. Girl, listen, check the description box down below. And if you stay to the end of this video, make sure you give me a green heart. Let me know what you think about this. Y'all already know I got to go. Love you all. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, leave that green heart. Check out thechichair.com. I'll link everything down below and give me your thoughts on this. I'll see y'all in the next one.